Happy New Year's, my darlings. Let us make some amazing Jamaican jerk pork. To a small bowl, I will add some of my freshly blended seasoning. I will then go in and add some of my powdered seasoning. I will also add some of my Walker's Wood jerk seasoning because why not? Combine all of that goodness together, and then I will go in and pour that all over my pork because I want to ensure that my pork is nice and seasoned. I will then go ahead and cover it, put it in the fridge for roughly about 8 hours. After 8 hours, I will go on the outside, add my pork to my grill, and of course I want my pork to be nicely cooked on the outside and also on the inside. Once my pork is almost finished cooking, I will then go ahead and pour some of my red stripe over it because why not? Once it's finished cooking, it should look something like this. I will then go in and of course slice up my pork in small pieces. I serve mine up with some brown bread. I hope you enjoy. You can always go ahead and add some ketchup. However, I made some amazing sauce. The full recipes